Oh, you like that? I finally came up with a background. No? Okay, I'll change it. Hey guys, Sidney Diongzon here. So obviously the big buzz happening right now are DJI's brand new drones, the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom. And a lot of you guys have been asking me, am I going to get one of these said drones? And I probably won't because I'm quite happy with my Mavic Air. And plus I don't really drone enough to justify buying a brand new drone, especially if I'm happy with my Mavic Air. But if I had to choose between one of those two drones, I would probably go with the Mavic 2 Zoom, mainly because of the zoom lens and the effects that it can do. It has 2x optical zoom, meaning you can go closer in on a subject without having the drone go closer to itself, therefore not compromising the safety of the environment around you. You can go tighter and sweep around a subject, creating that parallax effect. And probably one of my favorite features is the dolly zoom, where it creates this really cool vertigo effect. And so then I thought to myself, can I achieve the dolly zoom effect with my Mavic Air and without having an optical zoom lens? And the answer, my friends, is yes. Let me show you. All right, guys, so here we are in Premiere Pro, which is the editor of my choice. If you are using Final Cut Pro, not to worry, just use the concepts that I'll be talking about and apply it in Final Cut. So what I want to show you are two clips. So the first clip is of a clock tower. So here's what the original shot looks like. It's for the shot with the Mavic Air, just simply flying in. Now here is what it looks like with the dolly zoom effect. See how it just warps the image, creating this really cool vertigo effect? Pretty cool, huh? So let's go to the next clip, which is an aerial shot of some farmland over in England. And so here's what the original shot looks like. Here I introduce some of the homes. And here's that same shot with the fake dolly zoom effect. See how it warps the image, where it brings the background forward? Pretty cool, huh? Oh, wait, hold on. Hello?
Mister, I lost my pet iguana. Can you help me find him?
Are you sure it's a him? Maybe it's a her.
Wait a minute. You're that person that didn't help me last time I lost my pet.
I don't think you should have pets. Sorry about that, guys. Where were we? Ah, yes, faking the dolly zoom effect. Okay, so if we go back to the first clip, obviously we have a push-in shot. And so to achieve the vertigo effect or the dolly zoom effect, just do the opposite motion in post. So let's go ahead and click on the clip. And we're gonna go over here into motion. And you see scale right over here. Just go ahead and click on the keyframe. And since we are pushing into the shot, what we wanna do in our keyframes is we want to push out. So in order to do that, we want this keyframe, the one where it says at 100, to be at the end. And we want the keyframe in the beginning of the clip to be something bigger, like 140. So I can go from 140, if you look at the value over here, I'm gonna go from 140 all the way down to 100. And if you take a look onto the program screen to my right, you can actually see the effect. Pretty cool. So basically what we're doing is just mimicking the vertigo effect in post. So in real life, when you're pushing in on a scene, you or the assistant cameraman would zoom out on the lens. If you're pushing out, then you are zooming in on the lens. Now, keep in mind that these values aren't always exact for every single shot. You're gonna have to experiment. Like for example, with my keyframe set over here, it's a lot more prominent to see the effect with the keyframe here as opposed to, well, let me just play it back. As opposed to having the keyframe set way out there. You can still see the effect, but it's a little bit more subtle. Okay, moving on to the next shot. Oh wait, hold on. Hello?
My iguana was stuck on your roof. Did you put her there?
I thought it was a him.
Why are you so unhelpful?
Please stop putting animals on my roof. Sorry guys, crazy kid. Anyway, where were we? Ah, yes, the next clip. So let's play back this clip once again. Let's play the original. So I'm flying the Mavic Air and I'm just flying back and just revealing more of the land as I'm flying back. And so to fake the dolly zoom, I want to do the opposite motion. Just go ahead and click on the clip, go to your motion, go ahead and go back to scale and click on the keyframe. And since I am going backwards, what I want to do is zoom. So I'm actually going to place this keyframe at the beginning of the clip and place a value like, oh, I don't know, let's try 140 again. and let's see what it does. There you go. As you're pushing back, it brings the background forward. Pretty cool. Again, play with the values. If I bring this keyframe a little bit further, it makes the effect a little bit more subtle. And if that's what you want, that's pretty cool. Or if you want more of an obvious effect, then obviously bring the keyframes closer together. Play around with it, just mess with the different values until you achieve the effect that you want to achieve. And that's it. And there you go, my friends. That is how you fake the dolly zoom effect with the Mavic Air. And of course, you can achieve the same effect with any other drone as long as you have those similar shots. In fact, now that I think about it, you could probably achieve the same effect with any shot that has some sort of push in or push out. Well, look at that. Well, that is it for me. Hopefully that was helpful to you guys. Go ahead and try it out and let me know how you do. I would love to see what you guys come up with. And I think the main lesson in all of this, other than just learning how to fake a dolly zoom, is to experiment. I think it's very important to experiment in everything that we do as storytellers. And so whether it's filmmaking, photography, even editing, just experiment, try different things out, and you'd be surprised with what you can come up with. All right, gotta go. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to get out there and film some awesome stories. Peace.